Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you that how you can remove green screen in CapCut videos. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your CapCut app and here go to the project file and import the video that you want to remove green screen from. Now click on your video on the timeline and then scroll to the right side of the editing bar and here you will see an option cut out. So click on this cutout option and then you will see a chroma key option. Click on it and now you will see a pointer over your video. So place this pointer onto the green screen to select the green color and now go to the intensity panel and increase the intensity. After increasing the intensity to all the way 100, you will notice that the green screen is removed now and you can place any video beneath your original clip. So that's it. That's how you can remove green screen from your CapCut videos. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.